At just under 45 feet in length and riding on a premium Spartan K3 chassis, this 2015 American coach, American Eagle 45T, was designed for buyers who wanted true residential comfort combined with high-end motorhome engineering. The American Eagle has long been recognized as one of the flagship luxury coaches in the industry, and the 45T floor plan is one of the most sought-after layouts thanks to its spacious bath-and-a-half design, residential amenities, and elegant living environment. The combination of high ceilings, polished finishes, residential furnishings, and expansive slide-outs creates an open atmosphere that feels remarkably spacious. The cockpit seats swivel around when parked, becoming part of the living room rather than simply driver's chairs. Across the front cab, you'll find overhead cabinets that are perfect for storing all your travel essentials. Along the curbside wall sits an impressive Villa Ultra leather sofa equipped with an air mattress. This transforms into a comfortable sleeping area for overnight guests. Whether you're entertaining friends, relaxing after a day of travel, or simply watching television, this living room feels inviting and residential. The kitchen is designed for travelers who enjoy cooking. There's excellent lighting and a beautiful backsplash complementing the assortment of high-end appliances. One of the standout features is the residential refrigerator with an integrated ice maker. Across the hall, the half bath provides exceptional convenience for both owners and guests. It includes a toilet, sink, vanity area, and storage space for toiletries and essentials. Beyond the half bath, we enter the master suite area. The bedroom centers around an enormous king-size bed, increasing overall comfort and sleep quality. You're also surrounded by generous storage options that provide plenty of space for clothing and help support long-term travel without sacrificing organization. The rear bathroom continues the residential experience. The dual sink vanity is a particularly valuable feature. Mirrors are everywhere and the lighting is excellent. This bathroom feels spacious and functional. Another standout feature is located at the rear, a walk-in closet with tons of hanging space, drawers, and storage bins. There's also a stacked washer-dryer setup. For travelers spending weeks or months on the road, having onboard laundry capabilities is a game changer. Throughout the entire interior, you'll notice American Coach's commitment to luxury construction. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, seasonal travel, or full-time RV living, the American Eagle 45T delivers the comfort and amenities of home while giving you the freedom to explore wherever the road leads. Come see it for yourself at RV Depot Supercenter.